अंदूचो इफी स्टुडंटांक फ्री कंट्री फोक इस्रायल इफी आयोजकांनी सोमारा जाहीर केलें 64 देशांनी इफीक फिल्माची एंट्री निश्चित केल्या. इफीचे प्रतिनिधी नोंदणी सुरू जाल्या. खेळां विभागांत 6 ते 7 फिल्मां आसतलीं. अंदू इफीचें बजेट खंय 18 कोटी. इफीचो दबाजो बऱ्यापैकी करपाचें प्लॅनिंग चल्लां. अंदू कोटी भर तरी खर्च वाचयतले म्हणून ESGचो उपाध्यक्ष राजेंद्र तालक मिडिया कडेन उलयला.
49th International Film Festival of India. The theme is celebrating the future of cinema. So delegate registration will start today. Students will be registered free. This year country focus is Israel, and around 6 to 7 films will be screened in this section. Then cinema of the world, from 64 countries, they have confirmed their participation for this 49th IFFI. In homage section, IFFI will pay tribute to late Sri Shashi Kapoor, late Srimati Sridevi, and also tribute to late Sri Vinod Khanna in a special retro section. 6 to 7 films on sports will be screened in a special sports section this year. There is a special film section at Bioscope. This will be dedicated to Kapoors, and films from Prithviraj Kapoorji to Ranbir Kapoor. The films will be screened, and one of the Kapoors will be invited to inaugurate this section. 18.5 to 19 crores we spend every year, but this year we may save some around 1 point, because this year Bioscope activity is totally without spending a single rupee on that. It's totally sponsored by them. So we'll just, last year we spent around 1.3 crore on that, around roughly. So this year we got that activity totally free.
नुव्या सप्तकी बाजाराचेर मडगांव आनी वास्कोच्या वजन माप खात्याच्या टीमीन धाडी घाल्यो. सोमारच्या बाजारांत सील नाशिल्लीं वजनाची दुबावीत मशिनां धरल्यांत. 5 जाणांची मशिनां जप्त केल्यांत. नुवे पंचायतीन सोमारच्या बाजारांतल्यो असल्यो गजाली वजन माप खात्याच्या कानार घाल्ल्यो.
We have conducted inspections here based on the complaint received from the village panchayat regarding some malpractices going on in the payment of vegetable vendors, especially vegetable vendors. We have conducted the inspections and we have taken into custody 5 electronic weighing scales which were unstamped, and they were using for all trading purpose. Other weighing scales also we have checked, but some we have found they were stamped and they were using for trading premises, in the trading premises. So those we have spared, and they are carrying out their business as usual. Other scales which are not verified, we have taken them in our custody, and further investigations will take place.
Fine kitli padda isko?
That fine will be decided by the controller. It is decided by the controller.
सामान घेताना माप सारखे तपासचे. घाई गडबडीत फटवत म्हणून सादूरकायेची शिटकावणी.
Especially in this weekly market, they should check up the weighing scale which are used for payment purpose. Sometimes they cheat the consumer. In fact, कितें आसता केन्ना तांचे पेन आसता न्ही, काउंटर स्केल्स आसता, तातूंत ते पयलेच एक 50 grams 100 grams दुरून दवरतात, and they do it in a hurry so that it doesn't come in the notice of the consumer.
Like petrol pump VAT is mentioned, ensure before delivery. So here before payment you must check whether the scale is showing the zero first.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नुवे सावन सावयो डायस.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.